Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we actually want to talk about, will this market continue to make new highs? Are we going to see 16K? If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a full-time trader. I day trade Monday to Friday, the financial markets, and also swing trade the crypto market. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, if you want to learn how I'm able to do this from home full time, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, most of you guys don't know how to do this, so I'm here to teach you. I specialize in making money now. Okay, and if you guys want to hodl, you can do that. But there's money out here to be made right now. Okay, so that's what I specialize in. So let's go to the charts. If you guys have any questions, you can type it in. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit 1.5 or 2 on the speed button and basically speed up the replay, turn a half an hour video into a 15-minute video. So let's go to pop out this stream, pop out the chat, and let's see if I see anybody. I know it's a Friday, so most of you guys are probably going to be out doing your little thing on Friday. But we're going to make this a quick live stream, and we're going to basically look at the charts real quick, and we are going to analyze the market. So let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. The dominance is at 63, and it's moving up. So most likely we're going to hit that 65 mark, and we're going to go even higher. Okay, we talked about this a couple of live streams ago. Actually, probably last live stream. Okay, I told you guys that I'm definitely expecting Bitcoin to go to at least 65 and above 65. All right, and it's looking like it's trending that way. So you see this peak right here. I'm looking for Bitcoin to either pass this peak almost maybe very soon. So if you look at the whole crypto market, Bitcoin is going up. A lot of these cryptos are flat. So we can definitely hit that 65, 66 market. I mean, market, not market cap, but dominance. All right. So that simply means that most likely Bitcoin is probably going to either make another move up. Okay. And these other altcoins are not going to do anything. And, we just have to wait and see when these altcoins wants to catch up. Okay. But let's go to the chart, and we're going to go from there. But shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Let me actually give you guys a round of applause real quick. And thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate everybody. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're new, period, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Over here, what I do is I analyze the chart. And my mission is basically to help people, average people, to help them get to a level where they can actually start making consistent money from the markets and eventually quit their job. Okay, that's my main mission. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button, or I know that was loud, but hit that subscribe button, or tune in. So right now, we talked about this yesterday, guys. Remember we talked about this yesterday. We was actually looking at the hourly chart real quick. Let's go to the hourly chart real quick. We was talking about how they didn't finish going down to stop these guys out. So this candle, I was looking at this candle right here. Okay, and the low of this candle is 321. Okay. Last time we went live, we was around here, and I said I'm looking for the market to make another low, right? We made another low. It was 300 even. We stopped those guys out, and we shot right back up. Now, I was expecting the market to maybe go to maybe 10,000 or below, but we had we created support right here. So the buyers came in at this level, right? As soon as they stopped these guys out, boom, they shot up. So now the question is, okay, will we continue to go up? will we make new highs? If we make new highs, what number are we going to reach? If we do create new highs, we can definitely hit that 15K mark, of course. All right. Maybe flirt with the 16K. All right. But also you have to remember, okay, what's going on right now. What's going on, man? Thanks a lot for the super chat. I'm gonna definitely get to you guys in the chat room for a second. Okay. We had a nice little sell-off, and then we pull them back up. So right now I'm looking to see if they want to continue this up move during the weekend, because today is Friday. All right. So we definitely have to wait this weekend to see what these guys really want to do. So let's look at these other coins, because right now, like I said, the dominance is actually growing, right? The dominance is growing. So that simply means that most of these coins are probably going to be flat, maybe for the next week or so. Let's see here. Ethereum is looking like Bitcoin. Okay, so Ethereum is actually going up. Litecoin looks like it's trying to go up, right? I didn't look at Litecoin today. No. Well, yeah, a little pump. Nothing crazy. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has that nice little pop today. What else? XRP, XRP still hovering around those 40-cent level. And I know a lot of people that's invested in XRP. I know a lot of you guys are frustrated because you're seeing other coins, just go up to the moon, and I would say not to the moon, but just go up crazy, and your XRP coin is not really doing anything. So this is why it's best to, if you're just tuning in and you're new to my channel, this is why it's best to not go all in one coin, and learn how to read the market. Okay. Even if you go all in one coin, which I'd never recommend anyone to do that, you should have multiple strategies, okay? You should have at least another strategy on the side, okay, that allows you to make short-term money, okay? Most of you guys are doing this kind of wrong, because cryptocurrencies, okay, is a market that's very volatile. So what that means is it can go up and then it can go down, quick too. So it's very good to actually have a short-term strategy when it comes to crypto market, because when it goes up, that, and it can actually pay you a lot of money short term, okay, while you're waiting for your favorite coin to moon up, or whatever whatever number you're trying to reach. So short term you can still make money, but some of you guys are so caught up with the hype and so caught up with your favorite YouTuber telling you, hey man, this hodl, okay? And these guys are using strategies that's pretty much outdated, right? That buy and hold mentality, that's like, that's old school, okay? You have to get up, you have to learn how to change and adapt to the situations, okay? Like most, like your parents right now, your parents can't understand the internet. They don't understand how a guy can actually make money from the internet full time, right? They don't understand that, right? So, our generation, we can understand that. So some of you guys have to adapt and understand that, there's ways to actually make money now from the markets, okay? You can't, you shouldn't be using a old school strategy while there are different ways to actually make money right now. Okay, if you want to hodl, you can go ahead, but there's other strategies that some of you guys are not even taking advantage of. I don't get it. But right now, XRP is stable. So in the meantime, you could have took advantage of Litecoin, Bitcoin, so many other coins. All right, let's look at. Let me see. I didn't look at this coin in a minute. This coin actually had, we pulled back a little bit, so we'll see what's going to go on with this. But for the most part, I'm looking at Bitcoin and seeing what they want to do over the weekend. All right, I want to see what they want to do over the weekend. Definitely want to see that. Let's look at Tron TRX, and then after that, we'll get to your guys. Get to you guys questions in the chat room. All right. So Tron TRX, basically, we had a nice little drop, and it tried to go up today, but it pulled back a little bit. So we'll see. We will see. Like I said, we will see over the weekend. All right. So let's go to Bitcoin, and we're gonna go to the questions now, and type in your questions if you have any questions. I've been doing this for going on 12 years. So if you have any questions, guys, type it in right now. All right. Hopefully we're gonna make this a quick live stream, and we go from there. So let me see if I see any questions here. What's going on? Who Flung, Dan, Travis, Terrell, what's going on, guys? Grin, AZ, what's going on? Let me see if I see any questions here. All right. Big Ben for president 2020. Trading crypto is a great. It's great when you know what you're doing, guys. It's great when you know what you're doing. Let me see here. Philip, what's going on? Bobby, what's going on, bro? Shout out to T-Loke. T-Loke said, he gave me the super chat. He said, Starbucks on me, big bro. Thanks for what you do. Shout out to you, man. I want to thank you. Okay, thank you for tuning in and being one of my students and subscribers. So, I always, love my subscribers and students. So shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause for giving me that super chat. Let me see here. Travis, what's going on, bro? Troy said, I'm frustrated with XLM doing much of nothing. Yeah, so you have a lot of coins that's doing nothing. Let me see XLM. But you have a lot of coins that's doing nothing. But, you shouldn't be frustrated with, coins like this because basically, if you're frustrated, that means you probably went all in with this coin. All right. And if you're going all in one specific coin, that's not a good strategy. Right. You should never be frustrated with anything because that tells me that you're probably all in or you put a lot of money in here. All right. Now, last time we talked about this, I said we would love to see it break to the upside because it was forming this nice little triangle. I said we were looking for a break to the upside, but I also draw a line to the downside. Okay, and said if we break down, that's not really a good sign. All right. So since that's not a good sign, we gotta watch out for this. It broke to the downside, so we definitely gotta, you definitely have to keep your eyes on this. All right. We was hoping for another up move, but keep your eye on this. I know it's frustrating. I understand, but just make sure that you don't go all in with your coins, bro. MK Valley said, the only YouTuber I can trust because you can read the charts, man. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, over here, man, I honestly, I just give you guys the real deal. I give you the facts. Okay, I can't make up numbers. The numbers is right in front of you. Okay, we are looking at the live numbers, so it's not like I'm making this stuff up or I'm trying to hype things up. Okay. I'm not trying to hype anything up. It's just the number. The numbers are the facts. So let's go to more questions here, and type in your questions, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here on a Friday. I definitely appreciate it. TJ, what's going on? Yeah, get that money, bro. TJ Traders, Big Ben, get that money. Ken, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. It's about 2020. What's 2020? Bobby, let me know. What's 2020? Looks like U.S. oil. The market you talk about is on the last stream. I don't. You said You said looks like U.S. oil hit that mark. Oh, okay. Hit the $60 mark. Yeah. Has been 20. Has been 2050. Wow. It seems like a good trade for BTC. Comes down, recently surged. What do I think? What do I think about Neo? Alrighty here. I think that we have to wait for the weekend, guys. All right. The weekend most likely will tell us everything. Because what we have to realize is, I noticed that the crypto market loves to respect some fibs. Okay. It likes to respect some fibs. So since we had this deep retracement, we might get a resistance at, let me see here. We might get a resistance at that's 68. That's 68. That's 618. Okay. And we're coming up to that 618. So this zone right here. All right, we might get some resistance right here. So that's why I'm waiting for that weekend to see if we get some resistance. If we get resistance, we can sell off. Okay, and if we sell off, then there's a possibility we can make a new low. Now, since we make a new low, doesn't mean that we're gonna go all the way back down. It just means that most likely we're probably gonna break that 10,000 mark, and they probably want to test it. And if they break that mark, most likely they're gonna probably go to this breakout right here, which is around 94. Okay, and then we might find support from here, and we might see a bounce from here. All right, so this level might be support, our next support, and we can actually make, go up and make maybe some new highs. But if we do create a new low, like I said, we have to keep an eye on that and make sure everything is intact. All right. This is why you can't get too cocky when it comes to the market. Most people in the crypto market are new to this stuff, so a lot of these guys get cocky too quick, and they don't understand how things can actually get ugly real quick. All right, the market will humble you, okay, and it will check you, and it will remind you, hey, bro, I'm in control, not you. It doesn't care about your feelings. All right. So that's why you really have to treat this like a business and learn how to read the charts, guys. Your favorite YouTuber right now is actually learning how to read the charts. If you don't believe me, just go look at their videos. They are looking at the charts. Okay. In 2017, all these guys were doing was giving you news. That's it. Now all of a sudden, these guys are technical analysis experts, right? So most of the guys don't know what they are talking about when it comes to TA, because they just learned this stuff. Okay, there's a lot to learn, but this is why it's very important to learn this stuff. So like I said, this weekend is very important. I want to see what they want to do, because they can pull this back and we can make another low. Okay, because we've been going up for a long time, guys. I mean, let's be what do you call that? Let's be honest. Okay, so I mean, seeing another pullback wouldn't surprise me at all. But doesn't mean that if we have another pullback, that's the end of this. It doesn't mean that we're going to just drop down and go all the way back down. It just means that they probably want to shake out more people, and then probably wants to go up probably one more time. And once it goes up and make that new high, we got to, still keep our eye on, how things look on the chart. All right. This is why you can't get too cocky. This is why you always have to become a professional and treat this like a business, not like a video game, and say things like it's impossible for Bitcoin to do this. When you say words like that or things like that, I just shake. I shake inside because it's kind of scary. The way I hear most crypto investors talk about this market, like nothing could happen. All right, like nothing could happen. Like it's a 100% sure thing. Okay, this is a volatile market, and we have to treat it like a volatile market, and we have to be cautious, and we have to take advantage of these moves, these short-term moves. We have to learn how to book profits. All right, we got to learn how to pay ourselves and enjoy the ride. Okay, enjoy the ride. Okay, either way, if it's to the upside or to the downside, we have to enjoy it. Let me see if I see any new questions here. What about Litecoin? Litecoin is the same thing. Litecoin is actually it might have another pullback. Let me see here. Yeah, Litecoin is a possibility. I mean, we're gonna go up probably a little bit more, and then we will see. It will probably have another pullback. All right. So just keep that in mind. Like we can actually have another pullback before we go back up. All right. Let me see here. Let me look at these questions, guys. All right. But guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know. Type it in. I'm here to help you guys out. The reason why I'm on this channel right now is to help the average guy understand the markets. All right. When I first got into the markets, it was a stock market. I couldn't believe my eyes. Okay. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I guess that's what I meant, right? And I was in love, man. And I took that, that knowledge and brought it to crypto. And honestly, when I was making money, I didn't care about news. I didn't care about the white paper. It was just strictly the charts. And I'm trying to give you guys that knowledge. Help the average guy understand that there's money out here. I have students that never traded in their lives and now actually making consistent income from this stuff. So you can do this if I can do this because I'm a normal guy that barely graduated from high school. Brandon said, "Hey Ben, can I get that link for the course? Trying to get it today." Shout out to Brandon. Yes, so if you're new to the course, if you're new to my channel, I have a course for you guys, all right? And I have a new one. So let's get to that new course. Shout out to you, Brandon. Let me know, Brandon, are you still on live stream? Now, let me see here. Before I give you that link to the course, let me show you. It comes with an indicator too. So you guys understand it comes with an indicator. Let me show you the indicator real quick. Hold on, guys. My computer's acting up. I should have hit that restart button on my laptop because it's acting real suspect right now. All right, so look at this chart real quick. All right, and it comes with this indicator, and you see this green dot right here. Those are the green dots that basically let you know when it's a good time to buy or get in. It gave you a green dot right here. We went up a little bit, but basically, if you just look at it, it goes with the flow of the market. All right, and if you look at any other indicator, like the RSI, it didn't give you a signal, a good signal probably all the way until, I don't know, maybe right here. This indicator gave you multiple signals all the way when we had this big up move, right? Now, even this latest signal right here, if you look at the RSI, it never, we never hit the oversold mark, but we still got a green dot right here. So this indicator will help you get in the market with the flow. And not only that, when you get the course, I'm going to explain how you can actually use the indicator combined with price action, because I'm a guy that I don't have to use any indicators. Okay, if you guys have been following me for a long time, when I day trade, when I swing trade, I don't use any indicators. But I noticed that my students like to force trades, they like to rush, they like to do craziness. So I said, you know what, this indicator will help you, okay, and it will help you not force trades. And not only that, you can actually combine it with price action. All right, reading the market. And that's what the course is about. And also the course is about me mentoring you guys, all right, for 1 month. We actually did 2 weeks already, so it's 2 more weeks left. And when I mentor you guys, when we go live, we're going to look at the live crypto market. We're going to talk about how you can do this full time. We're going to look at possible trade setups, okay, and also Q&A and me explaining the market, okay, in detail, and what I feel what Bitcoin is going to do, short term and a little long term, but mostly short term, right? But it's very good because I want you guys to become full-time traders, all right, and experience that life, that laptop life, that what most people call it. They call it a laptop life. Okay, if you don't know what a laptop life is, it's just basically you can go anywhere around the world just using your laptop and make money. All right, that's the new life. So let me give you that link. I just had to explain to the new guys, anybody that's new to here. So this Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0, it comes with me as a mentor. We're going to actually meet up to this Sunday coming up, right? This Sunday coming up. So don't miss out. If you are not able to join us, guess what? You will get the recordings. Not only you will get that recording, you will get the past recordings that we did 2 weeks ago and last week, and you can ask me any question you want once we go live. So here's that discount. Let me see here. Right now it's $249. I usually give you guys that live stream discount. So here that is. And let me give you that link. So here's the live stream discount. This is only for the people that want it right now on a live stream. If you are going to get it after the live stream, you have to pay the regular price. So here's that link. Let me see if I see any more questions. Columbus, bro, what's going on, DeAndre? Good to see you here, bro. Let me read these questions. I'm reading these questions here. Oh, I see what you're talking about, Bobby. I see what you're talking about. I hear you, bro. Travis said all in is bad news. Yeah, of course. Leonard, is BTC going to 16K? Leonard, man, come join me, bro. You know, no one can tell you if Bitcoin is going to 16K. All right, you know that, Leonard, by now. Right now, I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue to go up, right? I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue to go up. But I was explaining to you guys, we might have another pullback before we go up. All right. I'm reading these questions here. Just give me a second. What's going on, Low Max? Good to see you. Good to see you here. You said, what about the link? You talking about what link you talking about? Okay, Brandon. Yeah, Brandon. Let me know when you get the course, Brandon, or anybody else. If you get the course, let me know. Check out the BTC pairs instead of the USD. It doesn't make any sense right now to check out the USD, the BTC pairs right now. I just want to stick with the USD right now. I don't want to confuse a lot of people here. Edward Park said, I also made a nice profit on BTC at 13. So what do you mean you went long, Edward? Do you think the CME gap would be filled on the next pullback? James. Okay, that's a good question. Let me see here. Futures. Bitcoin futures. CME. Let's see if I see the gap here. So the gap, yeah. So basically, yeah. I mean, this actually looks similar to what I was saying. How I do expect another pullback. Now we don't have to have the pullback right now, okay? But it's a possibility we could have another pullback because first of all, we go into the weekend, and second of all, we might find resistance at that 618. So yeah, if we do pull back another pullback, yeah, we can definitely close this gap right here. We got a couple of gaps. We can close maybe this one, which is around at 10,000, and maybe we will. It's a possibility we can go this low too, but for the most part, we're probably going to fill this gap. Okay, we don't even have to go this low, but we can definitely fill these gaps. Fill this gap right here. All right. Alrighty here. But I'm definitely expecting another high with Bitcoin. All right. But don't be surprised if they find resistance and pull back one more time. Let me see these questions here. My computer's acting up. Crazy. I should have hit that restart button. Let me see. You said instead of stacking up money, we can stack up with BTC pairs, but it's a little risky. I don't know what you mean by that. Brandon said he just got the course, just downloaded it. Thanks, Ben. Let me give you a round of applause. Brandon just got the new course. I'm gonna see you on Sunday, Brandon. If you can't make it, you will get the recording. Let me give you a round of applause because when you get that course, you're basically supporting the channel and helping me out because YouTube doesn't pay me at all. YouTube doesn't pay me at all, bro. Like, I'll probably get something. I don't know. I'll probably get like my last check was like $115. Okay, you divide that by 30. That's probably like $3 a day, $4 a day. So thanks a lot for getting that course. If you have any questions, you can either hit me up on Discord or by email. Okay, because it comes with a Discord. Also. Also I'll just see you on Sunday, man. Just write down any questions you have. Let me see if I see any more questions. What's going on, Edward Park? J.A. Miguel, what's going on? G. Baker, what's going on, bro? Ivan, what's going on? You can say you're making more on BTC pairs. Which pair are you making? You said TRX and XRP. What everything is to the downside, so you basically you talking about going short, you mean? I've never seen the indicator. Is it only on the DeAndre, you have to get a laptop, okay? You're gonna have to get that laptop to get the indicator. Ivan Richards said, you guys have to buy his program. I bought it 2 years ago and made at least 40,000 in crypto during the bear market. Oh shoot! Shout out to Ivan. That's a great testimonial. I'm definitely going to copy and paste that. All right, because I have a lot of students that actually made a lot of money. Actually, one of my top students made around 20K in 1 week. I have another one that made like a 30K. But overall, you said you made 40, so that's what's up, bro. I'm definitely gonna copy and paste that testimonial. But also, I'm gonna give you that. That bomb button. All right. And I'm gonna give you a round of applause. Shout out to you, bro, making that money. Making that money, bro. Making that money. Where's my ka-ching button at? Ka-ching, 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 man. Shout out to you, bro. That's what's up. I love to see people making money. Brandon said, I might not make it on Sunday, but I catch it, the recordings. I'm out on it. Okay, with your truck. All right, no problem. No problem, bro. You can definitely hit those recordings. Look at HCBTC. Yeah, I'll look at it right now. Let's look at it. Let's look at HCBTC. Let's see if I see anything. All right. So HCBTC. It's looking good. Okay, we might get another up move. But overall, you know, you gotta take profits. TNT BTC, let's look at that one. Well, this is kind of choppy here. This TNT BTC is kind of choppy, kind of suspect. But I mean, we can definitely make another high though. But overall, suspect. I mean, if you look at since September of 2018, it's just been going sideways. So you know, it's kind of suspect. All right, so shout out to everybody that's here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm about to wrap this up. It's getting around that 40-minute mark. I don't want to make this too long for the guys that's watching that replay. If you want to join me live this Sunday, check out this course right here. You will get that indicator too. Here's the link. Let me see here. The new course that will show you everything. Will show you how to read the charts, show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. It will show you how I'm able to do this full time. You will get access to me, a guy that's been doing this for 12 years, going on 12 years. We're gonna have Q&A. You can ask me anything you want, and I just want to share all my knowledge with you guys. And I I want to help you guys out. So and I'm just gonna go over the market and just tell you my thoughts and how I'm looking to play this market. So sign up. Go get the course, and it comes with a Discord room. And hope to see you guys on Sunday. Let me see if I see any more questions before we get out of here. Ivan said, take your time, know the knowledge, and grab supplemental information. Was great. Now is game time. Shout out to you, Ivan. So most people don't understand. Once you learn how to read the charts, you see how Ivan actually made money in the bear market. He said he made over 40 grand by learning my techniques. You know what that means, guys? That means that he have more money to play with now if this market continue to go up. Okay, and this is what I was trying to explain to you guys last year. Most of you guys was buying dips. You spend all your money, all your earned money on buying the dips. Most of you guys ran out of money around 6K. You know how many people came to me and said they ran out of money? They don't have no more money to buy the dips. You guys, you have to realize all that money that you spent on the dips, you could have actually made more money. Like you don't realize what you anyway. Put it like this: you could have made more money, okay, just like Ivan, and invested more money throughout this whole up move right here, and made more money on top of the money you made on 2018. This is how the professionals, right, are playing the game. And I'm trying to help you guys out and make you understand that. But most of you guys are still stuck on that old school buy and hold mentality. Guys, that's old school. You got to get adjusted, or you have to adjust to the new way of making money. You have to learn how to make money on your laptop, okay? The laptop lifestyle. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can email me. I appreciate all my subscribers. I love all you guys. I know I'm going to have a great weekend. I'm going to study the charts. Make sure you guys study. Make sure you improve. Make sure you practice. Make sure you grow as an individual. Make sure you grow as an investor, as a trader. Just grow, guys. If you're not growing, then you're not doing anything, okay? Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a good night. And have a good night, and talk to you guys later.